Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 1416 US15 satin nickel residential style flush bolt. It's a very typical flush bolt that you're going to see in residential applications. Hager is calling it single route because what it takes to install it is less work, and we'll go over that in a moment. So the 1416 is representative of the fact that this is a Hager flush bolt. US15 is satin nickel. The faceplate has a satin nickel finish to it. Single route, you can see from the design, or at least kind of get the impression from the design, that when the door shop or installer, radius here, has to prep for this, they're going to take their router and make one plow all the way down, okay, and they're going to get all the way through here, and then they're going to stop. So this faceplate is, they have it at 3/4 inch, right? So you're going to use a 2 flute carbide bit, 3/4 inch diameter, and just wham and stop right there. Your edges are done. So this will seat based on the depth of what, of how deep your route is. You want to obviously make it flush. You've got 2 screws that you'll need, and those of course are the 2 long ones that you're going to get, and they need to be long to get through the body into the door. You're also going to get the tiny little strike plate. It would be considered a mortise strike plate, but it's so thin some people are probably just going to surface mount that. It'd be pretty hard to chisel for that. And of course 2 little screws for it. Now, it's available in several different finishes. US15 is, certainly these days quite common and typical. Overall height, 7 1/8. That's correct. Overall width is indeed 3/4. You've got a body depth. They don't give that, but it's just shy in 3/4. And it's 11/16. I wouldn't go mortising for the hardware until I had it, but nonetheless. Projection of the bolt, let's get an idea of what that is. They've got it at 7/8. That is indeed the case, 7/8 of an inch. Again, the route is one pass with the tool is how these go about working. Nice and simple. People buy these because they do fail. They do break. They are a builder's quality sort of flush bolt that you will buy because of failure and maybe because of unintentional damage, something in that effect. There is below this video a link to the template which shows everything important dimensionally about the item. We've gone over that to a certain extent. Their mortise depth is 21/32, so that's going to be pretty close to that 11/16, and it's a handy template to have when referring to your mortise requirements. In addition to that, if you're not sure if this is the one you need, that template is there for you to go to your existing condition and determine if that's the case. Description below this video pretty much gives everything that we've just talked about. Hager is a full line provider of all things, or many things, builder's hardware quality, builder's hardware related, flush bolts, other trim and auxiliary like door stops and push and pull. But that's not it. A full line of exit devices, door closers, lock sets, and then of course their namesake, Hager Hinge. They are a comprehensive manufacturer of all things hinge related in both commercial and residential areas. Any questions on the Hager 1416 US15 satin nickel residential flush bolt or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.